Hello guys, welcome to Zero Arabic. Start learning Arabic alphabets, a self-study course. I am your narrator for this course, Muhammad Mursalin Saad. Before we proceed, please subscribe and like. In this lesson, I am going to write letter A, and letter Gha. Let's observe how I write. A small C and a big C. One more time, small C and a big C. Same format, same shape, small C and big C, and put the dots. This is alphabet Gha. I repeat again, small C and a big C, one dot, Gha. Let's put a fatha, Gha. That's it guys. Please subscribe and like by pressing the bell to get the latest updates.